Good afternoon, folks from Arkansas. I just got a package in the mail from Amazon, and it's my coil on plugs that I ordered. It's from a company or a seller called ENA off of Amazon, and it was $32.84 shipped. And it's a set of, supposedly a set of 8 ignition coils, which is a really good price. So I'm going to open this up, see what we got in here. It's fairly good packing, I guess. A little cushion in there. Warranty. So it looks like we got a 1-year warranty here. Got some instructions here, installation instructions, some warnings down here. Yep. And let's see what we got here. Looks like they're all individually wrapped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Looks pretty good. Let me get one of my original coils here and make sure. Okay, here's my original. They appear to be pretty much the same. The only thing I notice here is the spring on the inside, or the contact on the inside is a little bit shorter on the newer one. I don't know if it shows up or not. Let's see. But yeah, the contact on this new one is I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch shorter. I'm sure that should not matter. So anyway, this is what they look like when you get them. If you get them from ENA, looks like pretty nice. I'm impressed so far. This is not an installation video. Well, if it was, it's just one bolt and one little connector to install these. But only $30, you know, plus your tax. It was free shipping, as opposed to buying just one of these at O'Reilly's. Is last time I bought one, it was $35 for one. So all right, I got this truck cranked up. I got all the coils changed out. I also put in a new set of spark plugs in there. It's idling very nicely, and I'm going to give this a little test drive. Tell you what, it idles very nicely. All right, I'm going down the road here, and the truck is running very smoothly, very nicely. I'm very happy with it so far. I got that set of 8 coils for less than I could have bought one coil at O'Reilly's. It cost me $32.84 with the, well, actually shipping was free, so I just had to pay the tax on it, and it arrived in 2 days from Amazon. The seller is ENA, and I'll put a link in the description to these coils. And if you do decide to do this, go ahead and do your plugs also. It'd be a good time to do them. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and See you later from Edo.